we are going to see problems on inverse Laplace transform by second shifting property. So example can be asked like this. E raised to minus s is given to you, maybe pi s divided by s square plus 1. This is given. But note that e raised to minus pi s or e raised to minus s is compulsory. Okay. So let us try this example. This is what is key to solve these problems. Okay. Solution. We have n inverse into bracket e to the power minus pi s divided by s square plus 1. Hence, we get a is equal to pi and phi of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1. What you have to do? You have to compare given with this. How to compare? See, 2 points. This is first figure, this is second figure. Both figures same. This is A, but this is different. Okay. So what is different? A is equal to pi, and therefore, and what is different? 1 upon s square plus 1 is nothing but pi s. This one. So this is called comparison. And at once we get this. Next step is very easy. Take L inverse. What we get is L inverse into bracket 1 divided by s square plus 1. So what is this? Remember, okay, this is nothing but f of t is equal to, and this gives sin t. This is inverse Laplace transform sin t. Remember, here I am writing formula. L inverse into bracket 1 divided by s square plus a square. This comes. This formula is already discussed. So this is what is the formula. So sin t is coming, and next, hence, we get L inverse into bracket e to the power minus pi s divided by s square plus 1 is equal to, now you can see this, f of t minus pi and into u pi into bracket t. But what is this? This is same sin t minus pi. What is this? U pi t, which is same as sin t minus pi. And u means unit function. This unit is due to 1. This 0, remember, this is for t less pi, and this is for t greater than pi. But if you multiply inside of the bracket, we are getting answer. 0 remains 0, so 0 1 into this. So we have to write sin t minus pi over here. And here you have to say t is less, and here you have to say t is greater. So this is answer.